talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Shopify app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click on this sign down here. So when you click on this sign, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just click on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on payments here. So when you click on payments, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here and you come here to payment capture method. You click here on manage. So then here can you select if you want to add automatically at checkout here or automatically when order is filled here or manually here can you choose. So when you choose, you just click on this sign like this, then it's going to add with you when you click on this sign. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.